Did you click it yet? Okay, good. Now let's start with going over what actually happened to Failboat. Yeah, that's right. Failboat. This is what he turned into after a couple of episodes into the series. Ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. Oops, wrong sound effect. So what actually happened to him during that night on the island? Let's watch the clip of the part where he died in the series to understand what really happened. Enjoy, guys. Not that you would enjoy watching him die, but you know what I mean. So as you can see, guys, he was brutally cut in half, and it kind of looked funny too. But there is a conspiracy of what really happened to him. I just wanted to clear one thing up. A lot of people think that I did it to him, and I completely understand why. It's because Failboat was watching outside of the hidden bunker while everyone else was inside. Right before he died, I actually ran out of the bunker and saw him standing there, but I promise I wasn't the one that killed him. I actually stopped by him and noticed he smelled like a candy apple. Yeah, I don't know why, but I hate candy apples, so I ran away from him as well. Next thing I know, I heard a scream and he was cut in half. It was definitely that fat iron thing, because that guy had an axe that is perfect for cutting people in half, especially if they smell like candy apples. Anyways, so that's what I think actually happened to Failboat. I didn't do it myself. Let's move on to the next question people had. What was Pink Sheep doing in episode 4? Wait, what? I don't know which part you guys are talking about. Let me play the part that is in question. Yo, I swear this isn't what it looks like. I know it seems as if I'm kissing a 500-year-old skeleton that is stuck to a wall, but that is definitely not the case. What I was actually doing was examining this area to make sure it is safe before you guys came in to explore. Your boy Pink Sheep is always looking out for his buddies. Yo, I wasn't kissing the skeleton, please believe me or my gangster reputation will be ruined. Just don't tell anyone. So you guys have been asking what I was doing? Well, I clearly wasn't kissing the skeleton and dancing with it, if that's what you're thinking. Okay. Let's just move on to the next question. At the end of the series there was a little twist with the helicopter falling down from the sky, so the question is, will there be a season 2 of Lost Island? Let's watch the clip in question. Well, that's a good question. I think Exploding TNT was done with the series because he started the Lost in Space series. But he never continued that, but talked to me recently about doing another series or continuing Lost in Space. So sorry if that doesn't answer your question, but it is possible that Lost Island could possibly come back in the future. I guess we will have to wait for the mouse to find out. Okay guys, it's time for the question we've all been waiting for. The question that has been haunting all of us for all these years. Let's watch the clip in question. Yo, shut up right this instant. Pink Sheep don't need no helicopter to go back home. I'm the king of this entire island and I'm not leaving it to go back to the stupid regular world. Have fun, losers, and bow down to King Pink Sheep to show your true worth. That's right guys. So at the end of the series the helicopter came to save Exploding TNT, Herobrine and Notch. Your boy was present at the scene but decided not to come on the helicopter. If you guys haven't watched the series, make sure to watch it. Your boy was all over the island pranking everyone with things like fake sheep disguises. And even punching whales with my almighty mustache to make them fly. Like this. This is my water buddy. If you don't leave right now, we are going to have some major problems. I said get out of the water right this second. Your boy Pink Sheep needs to take a nice bath. Also, you sound like a seal that is seeking attention, so please shut up. Alright, you asked for it, loser. Say goodbye forever, you oversized flying hippo. Nobody messes with Pink Sheep when Pink Sheep is in need of a bath. Anyway, so you are probably wondering, Pink Sheep, what did you do on the island after the group left and how did you get back? Well, the truth is guys, I was kind of known as the king of the island. Everyone on there respected me because my mustache clearly had all the power. I basically went back to the center of the island and met a gorilla named Baron Bay. We became pretty good friends and he fed me bananas on the daily. My mustache had such a dominating presence that we ruled the entire island. Then one day I got bored, so I repaired the plane that crashed and flew it back. If you didn't know, I am also a certified pilot. So yeah, that's the story on what I personally did on the Lost Island after the series ended. I also brought Failboat back to life, no problem. But anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the Lost Island series. It was really fun being a part of it, and I hope Exploding TNT continues some sort of series like that again soon. Thanks for watching guys, and just to let you know, my mustache thanks you for watching as well.
I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh.